Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Simply Shumba. Okay, so today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing my goddess box braids. This is literally going to be my first time ever. Wait, I'm lying. My first time braiding my hair, like, I feel like proper. The first time I did it was with a campaign a few years ago. I think I'll enter the picture on the screen if I can find it. But those were really big braids. They were like 4 at the most, maybe 6. But I don't want to do them this big today. I only have a rough idea of what I'm gonna do, so I really hope that it does end up coming out the way I want it to. I really want a nice hairstyle, guys, because I'm ready to lock in. I really want to lock in. Like, I feel like braids, well, when I have braids, I'm just so focused, you know. There's one less thing for me to think about, because I don't know if you can see, this is what we're working with. Yeah, it's everything's a lot, but yeah, I'm gonna go and shampoo and condition my hair, and then I think I'm gonna start separating the hair. I don't have one of those hair separate thingies, so I'm gonna DIY one with like a clothing rail and pegs, so we'll see how that turns out. Let me go shampoo my hair, and then I'll come back to you guys in a sec. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. I shampooed with, I had 2 shampoos. I had the Kim K one. I started with that one, and then I went in with the Redken one, just to make sure my hair is super, or my scalp is super clean. For conditioner, I used the Originals one. I've just been using that one hair like the past week. I've just been using it to do my slick backs. But yeah, I'm loving the vibes. I wanted to show you guys the fiber that I got. It's this Darling fiber. It's pre-stretched and combed, so yeah. I'm really thinking about doing the full length. It's quite long. I think I'm gonna blow dry my hair actually, because I just think it's gonna make parting a bit easier. If it doesn't, it doesn't, but I'm just gonna blow dry it, not like to the point where it's pinned straight. I just want to be able to make clean parts, you know. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry my hair now, and then I'm gonna yeah, I'm just gonna speed through the blow drying process. When you go.
I can't believe Jess got roller skates for Christmas.
I just feel like I need to say that, don't judge me. I don't know how to use a blow dryer. Literally never blow dried my hair. Even when I was younger, I think my mom used to blow dry my hair, and I used to straighten it afterwards, but I literally don't know how to use a blow dryer. Yeah.
I just wish I could stay in this bathroom all night.
I'm already tired. Hey, I'm gonna get something to drink, and then I'm gonna start on my parting.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No, stop yelling at me. Please stop yelling. I'm not high. Stop yelling.
Wow, I feel like I'm in like a music video or something. Like, hair is giving very much SZA back in the day. I want to show you guys the crochet hooks that I got. I like to braid. And I got these. That is for later. Okay, so I finished the parting. It's not straight, it's not even, but I can only look forward in life. Can't see behind me. This little mirror didn't do much, honestly, but I tried. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because the back of my head is none of my business, unfortunately. Yeah. Guys, ignore the mess, but this is the contraption I did. I basically took my rail thing and I added pegs and I just started hanging the hair. It's questionable, but it works. I've done 2 braids so far and my hands hurt. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it, guys. Wow, my wrists hurt, everything hurts, and it's because I've been struggling so much with them. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep trying. So I only have about 6 more left. I've done 90, I wouldn't say 90%, but like most of my head right now. It doesn't look bad from afar, but up close it kind of looks sketchy, but we're just gonna roll with it. Yeah, guys, you know what's crazy? I used to be like, nowadays I don't post like a lot anyway, I feel, but I used to be so deep in things. Like I would just apply for random things, and then a couple of years ago I applied to do this photo shoot where they needed somebody with curly hair, but it was like for stock photos. And then it was like a few years ago. I got paid like basically nothing, peanuts, for that photo shoot. And I like signed away my rights and whatever. And then sometime this year, one of my friends from uni Instagrammed me like this. No, he said he saw me on like a TV screen advertisement or something for Telkom. I was like, what? And then he literally went back to that mall, but this is in Eastern Cape. He went back to that mall so that he could take a picture for me of like the ad, because I really wanted to see it. And then he sent it to me, and I was like so shocked, like that this shoot from years ago was still like, I don't know, people are using it. Like I'll put it on screen or whatever. I'll put it on screen, but I feel like that's so crazy. That yeah, so now then after he sent me that picture, I was kind of like telling everyone, like, guys, I'm famous, but that's not even everything I've done. Like I was in a Rexona ad, like, guys, I used to really be out there, and the fact that I'm just chilling nowadays, it's crazy because I used to be like such a workaholic. Like I did everything and anything to like get my name like out there. I was creating like a million videos a day, like stuff like that. But yeah, I miss it though, the rush from the city, because I think if I was still based in Cape Town, I would still be doing like costings and stuff like that. But unfortunately, I moved to Swellendam. But yeah. So this is what my hair looks like. It's currently 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'm very tired. My arms hurt, my wrists hurt. I'm gonna finish off with the curling pieces tomorrow, and I'm gonna dip these ends in the morning as well. So it's the next day, and I finished braiding my hair, and I also curled it, but I wrapped like a flexi rod around it, and then I just dipped that in hot water and let it set. So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna add the pieces with a crochet hook, and I'm just gonna unravel it. I wrapped darling hair around the flexi rod, and then this is what I ended up with. I'm just gonna unravel this now. I really hope these last. So I'm gonna knot it once, and then twist that, and then knot it again, and then hopefully, you know what, that curly piece was too thick. I want it out. This is bad. I'm gonna try it again. That piece got completely tangled. I don't know. I'm worried. The tutorials I watched, they could just separate the curls. So how come my curls are not separating? It's so thick. I think I need to wet it. Okay, I think this is fine. I'm just gonna add some gel. Yeah. Hi guys, so this is what my hair turned out looking like. I really like it. I think it looks really nice. I'll try and get like a video of me in the sun, but I think it looks really nice. This is how long it is. I think the curly pieces really add to it, and I feel like this is not bad for a first try. Like, yeah, I'm very proud of myself. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Join our Shumba squad. I'm gonna be trying to post more consistently in the next couple of weeks, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.